I hope you're having a great day. So for our second project, we are going to go to MakeCode.microbit.org. And again, at the top, you have the projects that you've already done. So these are the projects I've done. And then below it, you have the tutorials. So we're going to click on name tag. We are not going to do a name tag. We are going to do our initials. So over here, there is a video lesson that you can look at if you would like to. It's a gentleman and his daughter. But again, I'd like to make these videos for you so that you hear my voice. We're going to start with the blocks and we're going to click Start Tutorial. This is going to show you what it will look like when it's done. Click OK. Up at the top, it tells us, it says, place the show string block in the forever block to repeat it. Change the text to your name. So I'm going to click on Basic and I'm going to grab the show string. And basically a string is just text. The text can be letters, they can be words, or they can be phrases. So since our little microbit is so little, we're just going to do our initials. So I'm going to put K, and then I'm going to grab another show string and I'm going to put C. And for our string, you can see that there's tiny little quotation marks before and after, and those are placed there for you. It says, look at the simulator and make sure it shows your name on the screen. So it's showing my initials, my K and my C. I'm going to hit next because I like how that looks. If you have a microbit, make sure it's connected. So let me connect my microbit. I'm going to click on the download button. And now on my microbit, it should show my initials. Have fun with this. I think this is a pretty easy one. If you want to get an advanced grade, then try adding more to this if you can. All right, have a good day.